Guys, we have a 2011 Malibu, and we're gonna be doing the sway bar bushing in the back into us. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. You don't have to drop the frame. I'm gonna try attempting it without the frame, guys. So I disconnect this linkage here with this bolt 2021, and I keep this 21, and this bolt for the subframe for the link is 16, or you can use 5/8. So I put a jack underneath, and I move this one bolt, lift this arm up, and I do the other side the same thing, guys. And look, you could bring the swivel link up in the air and then access it from right here. So you could take it off from right here and put it up back for right here and then snap it back in. But you gotta move the two part at the same time, guys. So you don't need to take down all that stuff. That's what I'm going to be attempting to do. And this is how the swivel look. Yeah, so some people say you got to take down the whole subframe, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to try to work harder, smarter, not harder. And yeah, guys, so I just drop this down, and the bolt there is a number 16. And if you can't get it to the shocks, guys, you just use a pry bar. And while this can't come out here, guys, you use a pry bar to put on the shocks, the spring, and you could pry it down, and then this will come out easily. That's what I did. And the other side, same thing. Pry bar, and then this one up. So you don't have to mess with alignment. Be careful of the cable and make sure this is not too much strain on it. You could probably disconnect that if you want to get everything go lower. But I'm gonna see how I can work it. Your big bolt from here, 21, and look, guys, you just bring it up here, and then I'm gonna figure how to get it off here before I take it off. So I gotta put some lube on this, and I probably have to press it on back. So I gotta use a pry bar. And yeah, I gotta figure it out. So guys, so this is 16 millimeter here, 16 or 5/8, and then use a bar here to press down while you take out the bolt. While I'm doing it by myself, guys. So I'm gonna start trying to take off these, and then I'm gonna bring back the video. And guys are thinking right now, I'm probably gonna heat them, and then I could press on the other ones easily. But let's see how it goes, and let's see if that work for me. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna just give me a minute. This video gonna pause a little bit, then we're gonna go again. All right, guys. So we find out what we're gonna do now. We put this up. We put back the same bolt in here with the wrench. Take it up there, but whatever you get, you can get yours up to. And we're gonna move this wire here, and then we're gonna loose this number 13. So that's kind of stubborn. Okay, so we have a big boy 13 now, 1/2 inch. I'll try to break this one. Oh my god, and that's very tight. So, and then we're gonna use the grinder, and we're gonna grind this, bring it up to the top, and cut this here, and then flip it off. And then we're gonna put some lube on here, like some grease, and then we're gonna slip on the other one. So guys, I'll be right back because I only have one hand and nobody to help me. I'll be right back, guys. And I'm sorry, the bolt is from the back side, so I was taking it off the wrong way. So it's from that side. So we're gonna loose this down, pull with a zip tie, try to glide it down to the stand. Like you need to bring it down. Try get it done. Hold on, guys. Yeah. Guys, this video is so hard to put together when you're by yourself. So I moved the number 10 here. I was thinking it out the wrong way just to get the cable down. I put my arm up and I put this to hold it up, and then I could bring this up like that, guys. See? You don't have to take down the subframe to get none of this thing done, guys. You could just, well, I'm gonna cut it because they wanted this one changed, but nothing wrong with this one, guys. As you can see, it's very tight. But somebody tell the person, the lady, that they need swivel links. So while I'm here, I guess gonna change them anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it here and then pop it off and then grease it nicely, put back in the other one. And guys, you have to take the two sides at the same time. So guys, let me do that and get right back to you. This is a 2011 Chevy Malibu. So you don't have to drop the subframe, guys, because I'm not dropping. You only drop the subframe if you're gonna move the swivel bushing, the swivel link. We can work with that. So guys, let me get to that, and I'm gonna show you a step by step as I go. All right, I'm out. Okay, so now I make the cut. I'm gonna take out the piece of rubber. That's kind of hard with one hand. So I'm gonna take out a piece of rubber, and then I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna pull this off like that. Yeah, so yeah. I'll clean my phone. Guys, it's very hard to do this with one hand. Yeah, guys, so I cut the rubber, and now I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna pull this off. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut this off and then get back to you. So that's how you cut this off. Then I'm gonna press the whole thing off of there. So see how to do it, guys? I'll be right back. Alright guys, and it's off. And you can see the piece here. We gotta do some cleaning or whatever we gotta do here. And yeah. So we're gonna clean this up, put some lube, and we're gonna do the other side same way. See this? You could take them off without taking down the suspension, guys. You don't have to take down the suspension. This one, and then bring it up, tie your line with a zip tie, and go from there. I'll be right back. Guys, so we're gonna just push it here, and then we're gonna just press it on the top. Press it on the top. Keep pressing, yeah, and it's in, guys. See, that's how you get that in. Now it's in. See, you don't have to drop the frame, guys. So, and it's pretty basic from there. So as you see, we get it in. We don't have to press the frame, drop the subframe. We just press it with the bar, and there you go. And that goes to the other side. Reverse procedure. And go from there. So there you go. You don't have to drop the frame. You cut it out, you press it in with the bar, and make sure you got a good steady grip from here, and then you go from there. Alright guys, if this helped you anyway, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.